In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos in TikTok. So for us to get started, let's go ahead and tap the plus icon down here, and then we're going to go ahead and choose photo. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and tap the album down here, and then you can go ahead and basically select multiple photos that you want to upload. So I'm going to try to choose these three here, so I'm going to tap them one by one, just like so. As you can see, we are able to select multiple photos. After doing so, just go ahead and tap the next button there. And once you are here, you are going to be seeing your photos. Now, you should be able to add music here as well. Oh, this one here at the top. And yeah, basically choose what song you'd like to add. So I'm just gonna try to use this one right here, just like so. And then close this one. After doing so, I can tap the next button, just like so. And if I am done with this one, I can easily just post this one. And then we're going to head over to our profile in order for us to see it. Alright, so here's photo number 1, we have photo number 2, and then photo number 3. And that is how we are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.